Good morning, YouTube family. This is Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I have a mail call today, all the way from Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh area, I believe, Sharpsburg, Pennsylvania. This one comes from Mr. Vince Katza of VLC Woodworks. So let's see here what Mr. Vinny has sent us. Alrighty, so Jim, brother, thanks so much for your support and thanks for always helping me out. Here's my sticker for your shop. Peace, Vinny. So, Vinny's sticker, that right there, awesome. So, let me grab the sticker board and we will put this guy in place. Let me bring you over here with me. Let's see where we're going to put Vinny. Let's see here. How about we put Mr. Vinny there right beneath Moriak next to Miss Susan. Provided I can free the sticker from the backing. You know I have trouble with that, right? I am not high maintenance, but were I high maintenance, it would begin here. My little awl would be helpful. Ah, there we go. All right, so Mr. Vinny will go right here next to Moyoc and Francis and Suzanne. All right. So there we are. Mr. Vinny has been immortalized. And so I will see you all in the next video. And so that's all. Have a great day.